This is the blizzard of February 1st and 2nd, 2011, a view from our back door. There's about a 30-inch drift here by the door. Can't get out. If I back up here, you can maybe see how it looks from the door frame inside and how high it is outside. Backyard, it's pretty deep, some pretty big drifts. We'll see if we can get out there later. I think that the camera can pick up some of this blowing snow that goes by the door here, and it's causing all this drifting. These dogs are going crazy wanting to get out in the snow or get outside, and we'll see what happens when I open this door now with the wall of snow that's sitting here. Not too interested, are you? The drift here by the back door is about 18 inches, and it goes up to 28. Come on, girls. How do you like this snow? Maddie. Come on, Maddie. Tootsie. What are you doing, Maddie? You like the snow? You can see the bird feeders. The bottom of the bird feeders are only about a foot above the snow. Another view of the yard in the snow. That little object there is the top of one of the Malibu lights. Around the pond there's another one with a little more sticking up. And here's the view from the front. I don't know if you can make out the size of the drift that's in the driveway or our mailbox, how the bottom of the mailbox is not that far off from